Hi everyone, this is David McKeever with McKeever Real Estate.
And I'm Richard Hundley with Advance One Real Estate.
And we're here today to bring you the June 2018 real estate market update. And today we're focusing on the city of Stockton. What we're going to be bringing to you is some of the leading indicators telling us where we're at in the marketplace today. I know a lot of the data out there nationally and whatnot is looking a few months back. So we like to look at the most recent data of what's happening in our marketplace right now. So let's get into it. In June of 2018, we had a spike, increase of listings that came on the market. There were 549 new listings that came on the market. That's a trend we've seen. It went up in May. It also went up in June. And that's great news for home buyers that are looking in today's market. I think there's going to be a lot more to choose from versus last year. Last year at this time, there were just 466 new listings in June of 2017. So that's a great thing. Like I said, if you're a home buyer looking to purchase a home in the next few months, it's a great indicator that we're seeing.
Buyers have a little more choice.
That's right. Pending sales, these are sales that of homes that have gone into contract. In June, we saw 340 went into contract. So versus this time last year, there were 299. So that has also increased. So we've had an increase of listings, we've had an increase of pending sales, and while that's great for home buyers, there's new listings, it's also still keeping our inventory levels relatively low, lower than they should be. So we still need more homes for sale. That's kind of the recurring trend. Let's talk a little bit about days on market. DOM is days on market. What do we got there?
Okay, well, unlike these two numbers here that have really jumped quite a bit, the days on market is holding pretty steady from 31 versus 30 a year ago. So they're still selling pretty fast, but we are getting a little more inventory, which will help the buyers out there and probably keep the prices still pretty level and maybe even still going up. Speaking of price, the median sold price in Stockton is $300,000, which is up 11% from a year ago. Now, in the last 3 years, we've gone up 10 to 11% each year. So in 3 years, we've gone up like 30+ percent. That's a good market. We have a good market going on here, and I think we're going to continue.
Yeah.
David, a question that I've been asked a few times lately is the bubble about to pop? Are we about to take a downward slope? What do you think?
Well, it's easy to think that because of the price appreciation we've had, but until we start to see this days on market number get higher and higher, there's no indications yet of it slowing down. When we start to see days on market higher and higher, we'll start to see more and more price reductions, and currently that's just not happening yet. As we get into 2019, as the interest rates slowly start to change, that could affect affordability. It could affect the affordability and what people can buy. So that could affect it maybe next year or into 2020. That's the big unknown, I guess.
Yeah. And so far what I've heard, and also checking a few of the cities around us, everything's still on the way up. Doesn't look like there's any bubble gonna pop anytime soon. So at least we have a few more for you buyers to choose from. And you realtors out there, get listings, they're gold right now.
Yes, that's right. Now, one other thing I wanted to mention was I did a quick little search because somebody called me yesterday and asked if they can see a foreclosed home. And I had to chuckle because out of these 550 homes that are on the market, only 18 of them were distressed sales. 7 were an REO and 11 were a short sale. I mean, that is such a small percentage of distressed sales on the market. It's just almost nearly impossible to try to chase those properties. So that's another great indication of where this market's headed. There's hardly any distressed sales, right?
Yep, still on our way up. And if you'd like more information about a city around here or just more information about stats such as this, please contact us, and you'll also see this video on Stockton Realtors Facebook and we'll be posting it out other areas too. So if you don't see it there, please contact us and we'll get you the info.
All right. We'll see you next month. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.
Thank you.